Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman with Trading Advantage with your morning market stir for Thursday, October 10th. Well, the bloodletting may have slowed a bit yesterday. The markets came back after making new relative lows. E-mini S&P got as low as 1640, closed at 1648 and 3/4. It was down 1 3/4 on the day, but the cash S&P and the cash Dow were actually positive. Dow up 14,728. The VIX yesterday, the volatility index, made some new 3-month plus highs at above 21 and closed negative on the day at 1960. So that's a decent sign that the sell-off is slowing. The Nasdaq, though, the Nasdaq was down 18 at 3132.5, continued to drift lower. The dollar index up 33, 80.46, and the euro currency staying below this 136 level, down 44 at 135.25. The bond market somewhat quiet, 133.04 down 9. The high was 133.25, has been the resistance, and the low has been 132.25 yesterday. So trading in a 1-point range yesterday in this sideways action we've seen for the last 10 sessions. Crude oil down $1.90, 101.60. 101.18 was the low, so it looks like it's held just above that low from a couple weeks ago. So we'll look to see if this 101 holds as a near-term support, and then $100 a barrel from a psychological level. Looking at gold, it lost $17 with a little bit of firmness in the dollar. 1307 was its close, 1295 was its low. Look at gold on a weekly closing basis at 1300 as a pivot to give us direction. So after new relative lows yesterday and having the Dow down 5% off its highs, where do the markets stand here on this Thursday morning to start a new trading day? Well, we're positive. We got a nice healthy bounce. We're up 1% here this morning. 1665 and a quarter, up 16 3/4 in the E-mini S&P, up 130 in the Dow futures, 14,857. And we've got the Nasdaq up 30 after it's been getting beaten down the last couple of days, 3162.5. The dollar index plus 980.56, euros plus 7, 135.32. The bond market seeing some unwinding there, 132.06, broke below that support. We're down 29 ticks here today, so obviously no flight to safety in the bond market that we're seeing here with all this nonsense out of Washington, D.C. Looking at crude, it's up 50 cents, 101.92, and gold is down $6 at 13.01 as it stands right now. So to wrap up the current action, 2 hours ago before the cash stock market open, we're up 1% in the futures, 1665 and a quarter in the E-mini S&P, up 130 in the Dow futures, 14,857. I will see you early Friday morning for the morning market stir to set up your trading day. Alan Nuckman from Trading Advantage here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.